Hey everyone, welcome back to Upcoming Smartphones Hub. Today I've got something really exciting in my hands, the brand new Samsung Galaxy A57. This is one of the most anticipated mid-range smartphones of 2026, and in this video, we're going to do a full unboxing, quick camera test, and my honest first impressions. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As I open the box, the first thing you notice is Samsung's clean and minimal packaging. Right on top, we have the Galaxy A57 itself, and wow, it looks super sleek and premium. The design is slim, around 6.9 millimeters, and it feels very comfortable in the hand. The build quality is solid, and thanks to Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, it feels durable too. Putting the phone aside for a moment, inside the box we get the usual essentials, a USB-C charging cable, SIM ejector tool, and some documentation. No charger in the box, as expected, but it does support 45W fast charging, which is great for quick top-ups. Now let's talk about the display. The Galaxy A57 features a beautiful 6.6 to 6.7 inch Super AMOLED panel with full HD Plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling feels super fluid, colors are vibrant, and brightness looks excellent even indoors. This is definitely one of the highlights of the phone. Moving on to performance, this device is powered by the Exynos 1680 processor with 5G support. Paired with 8GB or even 12GB RAM, the phone feels fast and responsive. Apps open quickly, multitasking is smooth, and overall performance looks very promising for a mid-range device. Now let's check out the cameras. On the back, we have a triple camera setup. A 50 megapixels main camera with OIS, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 5 megapixels macro camera. The camera design looks clean and modern. I took a few quick shots, and honestly, the results are impressive. The main camera captures sharp images with good dynamic range, and OIS helps keep things stable. The ultra-wide is great for landscapes, and the front 12 megapixels camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. You can also record videos in 4K, which is a big plus. Battery life should also be solid here. The Galaxy A57 comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day on normal use. And with 45W fast charging, you won't have to wait long to get back to 100%. On the software side, it runs Android 16 with One UI 8 or 8.5. The interface feels smooth, modern, and packed with useful features. Samsung's software experience just keeps getting better every year. Other features include an under-display fingerprint sensor, IP67 water resistance, and full connectivity options like 5G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. So, my first impressions. The Samsung Galaxy A57 looks like a complete package. A stunning display, reliable performance, strong cameras, and a premium design, all in the mid-range category. That's it for today's unboxing and first look. Let me know in the comments, would you buy the Galaxy A57? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming smartphone reviews. Rocket Cell Phone.